The production of medicine for consumers and patients demands high-quality standards that include a requirement to meet government regulations that are made more challenging almost yearly. At the same time, escalating R&D costs in addition to globalization, puts pressure on manufacturers to upgrade operational efficiencies with state-of-the-art processes. The emerging age of DX, leveraging the IoT and AI are critical for utilizing data and information in transformative ways. To enhance management and control of quality, our organization's resolute adherence to the PDCA cycle compels equipment checks, real-time monitoring, and attention to analysis of deviations and changes of massive data collected from manufacturing equipment, sensors, and processes. Yokogawa aspires to establish smart GMP manufacturing facilities that provide consistent quality and supply while eliminating industrial waste. Enhancing productivity and always using high-quality component parts and materials. The management of personalized medicine and treatment of complex disease creates challenges that can only be met with highly advanced information management and manufacturing control systems. It is basic practice to monitor production activities, worker safety, skill-based continuity, and to continuously address manufacturing issues that include material quality, equipment obsolescence, and improvement of production environments, to name a few. Critical to managing such diverse considerations are measurement, analysis, diagnosis and integration technologies, along with IoT and AI, all of which our company has developed high competency and experience. We can contribute to technical transfer and scale up of R&D data, resulting in the reduction of lead time and advancement of production. The entire value chain from regulatory applications to actual provision of manufactured medical products can be accelerated with our help.